Variables. Variables are containers for storing data values. Creating variables. Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Variables do not need to be declared with any particular type, and can even change type after they have been set. Casting. If you want to specify the data type of a variable, this can be done with casting. Get the type. You can get the data type of a variable with the type function. You will learn more about data types and casting later in this tutorial. Single or double quotes. String variables can be declared either by using single or double quotes. Case-sensitive. Variable names are case-sensitive. Variable names. A variable can have a short name, like X and Y, or a more descriptive name, age, car name, total_volume. Rules for Python variables. And name must start with a letter or the underscore character. Variable name cannot start with a number. Name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores, AZ, 0 to 9, and underscore. Variable names are case-sensitive. Age, and AGE are three different variables. And name cannot be any of the Python keywords. Multi-words variable names. Variable names with more than one word can be difficult to read. There are several techniques you can use to make them more readable. Camel case. Each word, except the first, starts with a capital letter. Pascal case. Each word starts with a capital letter. Snake case. Each word is separated by an underscore character. Many values to multiple variables. Python allows you to assign values to multiple variables in one line. Make sure the number of variables matches the number of values, or else you will get an error. one value to multiple variables. And you can assign the same value to multiple variables in one line. Unpack a collection. If you have a collection of values in a list, tuple, etc., Python allows you to extract the values into variables. This is called unpacking. Output variables. The Python print function is often used to output variables. In the print function, you output multiple variables, separated by a comma. You can also use the plus operator to output multiple variables. Notice the space character after Python and is. Without them, the result would be Pythonisosum. For numbers, the plus character works as a mathematical operator. In the print function, when you try to combine a string and a number with the plus operator, Python will give you an error. The best way to output multiple variables in the print function is to separate them with commas, which even support different data types. Global variables. Variables that are created outside of a function, as in all of the examples above, are known as global variables. Global variables can be used by everyone, both inside of functions and outside. Create a variable outside of a function, and use it inside the function. If you create a variable with the same name inside a function, this variable will be local, and can only be used inside the function. The global variable with the same name will remain as it was, global and with the original value. Create a variable inside a function, with the same name as the global variable. The global keyword. Normally, when you create a variable inside a function, that variable is local, and can only be used inside that function. To create a global variable inside a function, you can use the global keyword. If you use the global keyword, the variable belongs to the global scope. Also, use the global keyword if you want to change a global variable inside a function. To change the value of a global variable inside a function, refer to the variable by using the global keyword.